Hello, my name's Mark. This is Yong, and we're members of the Developer Upgrades team here at PayPal. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge, tools, and resources to accelerate migrating to the latest PayPal APIs. PayPal's been releasing commerce and payment APIs for more than 20 years. This year, we're releasing agentic access to those same APIs and SDKs, but not for our legacy APIs, not for MVP, not for SOAP. So as Alex said earlier, we're entering the third chapter of commerce. Well, that third chapter is going to be for our REST APIs, not for our MVP and SOAP APIs. So it's more important than ever for any merchants that haven't upgraded to the latest to do that this year. I'll ask this question: how many people here have used SOAP and MVP? Okay. It's estimated that maintaining an enterprise application costs 3 times more than developing it. And one of the most important jobs in that maintenance is keeping the APIs up to date and current. But there are many merchants out there, millions of merchants, that are generating billions of transactions using our legacy APIs. And now is the time for them to upgrade. Now you ask, why should they upgrade? There are many merchant benefits. First benefit is our new checkout is going to speed up the checkout process for customers and will reduce cart abandonment. With our new Vault APIs, you can save payment methods for frequent customers and save them time when they're checking out, including with recurring payments and subscriptions. And we have many more payment methods, many more ways to pay. We have Venmo, we have Buy Now, Pay Later, credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many foreign payment methods. And finally, we also have AI-powered fraud detection, which monitors all transactions, giving merchants peace of mind. There's also benefits for developers. So the good news is that if you upgrade, you're going to be able to take advantage of all of the improvements that we're making for the developer experience and all of the productivity that we're providing. As we were thinking about the upgrade process, we realized we're not making it easy for our developers to do this or giving them confidence in their ability to do it. Here's Yong with a demo of how we're facing that challenge.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. As Mark mentioned earlier, developers upgrading merchant integrations often encounter 3 significant challenges: discoverability, complex upgrade requirements, and disjointed upgrade experiences. To address these challenges, we're excited to introduce the PayPal Upgrade Hub, a platform designed to streamline and simplify the upgrade process for developers. Let's delve into each key features of Upgrade Hub and see how each one directly tackles the challenges that we have identified. First, we have automated detection of legacy integration. One of the first hurdles that developers face is determining the exact type of legacy integrations that merchant is using. The Upgrade Hub simplifies this by automatically analyzing the merchant's current API payload, identifying the specific integration type, and legacy APIs in use. This eliminates the guesswork and accelerates the initial assessment phase. Second, we have personalized step-by-step upgrade guides. Upgrading legacy systems to modern APIs can be complex, with varying requirements based on the integration type. The Upgrade Hub provides tailored step-by-step guides that considers the merchant's current setup and offers clear instructions and best practices to ensure a smooth transition to PayPal's latest integration. Next, we have automatic mapping of legacy parameters to latest APIs. Manually mapping legacy parameters to new parameters is not only tedious, but also can be prone to errors. Upgrade Hub automates this process by utilizing tools such as API Transformer, which efficiently maps legacy MVP SOAP APIs to latest Order Speed 2 format, ensuring accuracy and saving developers time. Finally, we have transformation of legacy live API payloads to latest. Instead of providing generic code samples that might not be as relevant to merchants or developers, Upgrade Hub analyzes the live API payload of merchants' current setup and offers very accurate and relevant code samples to make the upgrade process precise and less complicated. Now that we have discussed the challenges that developers face and how Upgrade Hub addresses them, let's see the solution in action. I will take you through a live demonstration of the Upgrade Hub and its capabilities and how it simplifies the upgrade process for developers.
The PayPal Upgrade Hub. In this demo, we will showcase how the Upgrade Hub streamlines the upgrade process of merchants' legacy integration. First, we will log into the PayPal developer dashboard using our credentials. This is the central hub where developers manage their applications, sandbox accounts, and access various developer tools provided by PayPal. Upon logging in, the Upgrade Hub automatically detects the merchant's current integration details. It identifies the type of PayPal legacy integration in use, such as MVP or SOAP, and the front-end SDK like a checkout.js. If the merchant has multiple legacy integrations, the Upgrade Hub will detect each one and offer tailored upgrade experiences based on the specific integration types. Next, we'll click on the View Upgrade Guide button. This navigates us to a personalized step-by-step guide designed specifically for the detected integration. The guide outlines the path from the current legacy setup to the latest REST APIs and JavaScript SDK. At the top of the guide, we can see that this merchant is currently using one-time checkout for legacy MVP SOAP APIs and is targeting an upgrade to the latest REST APIs with the newest version of the JavaScript SDK. This clear overview helps developers understand the transition path. The guide starts with a side-by-side comparison of legacy and latest integration patterns. This gives developers a clear understanding of how their current setup works versus how the latest integration is structured. To proceed with the upgrade, developers need to set up new sandbox accounts. This can be done within the PayPal developer dashboard by navigating to Apps and Credentials. Here, you can create sandbox accounts and obtain your client ID and access token, which are essential for testing the new integration. After setting up the sandbox environment, the next step is to update the front-end payment buttons by upgrading the legacy JavaScript SDK to the latest version. The Upgrade Hub provides example code snippets for both the legacy and the latest SDKs, allowing developers to easily compare and implement the necessary changes to ensure compatibility with the new integration. Now, let's move to how you can upgrade your server-side integration. In legacy MVP SOAP integrations, authentication used API credentials like user, password, and signature. With the modern Orders v2 REST API, we use OAuth 2.0. The Upgrade Hub guides you through generating access token using your client ID and secret, ensuring secure server-side authentication. With authentication in place, the next step is mapping your legacy API calls to Orders v2. The Upgrade Hub provides a comprehensive table that shows how legacy API aligns with modern endpoints. For legacy checkout integrations, it goes further by offering live API payload transformation, automatically converting actual legacy calls into Orders v2 format based on what the merchant is currently using. This ensures developers get accurate real-world examples tailored to their integrations. Additionally, the API Transformer tool allows you to manually input legacy requests and see the exact Orders v2 format, making the upgrade even more seamless. After updating your API calls, it's essential that error handling remains robust. The Upgrade Hub assists in mapping legacy error codes to their Orders v2 equivalents. By utilizing our parameter mapping tool, you can input existing error codes and obtain corresponding modern errors, ensuring that maintaining consistency in error management post-upgrade is completed. Moving forward, modernizing your notification system is crucial. Legacy instant payment notifications, or IPNs, are being replaced by webhooks, offering improved reliability and security. The Upgrade Hub guides you through mapping existing IPN listeners to webhook endpoints, facilitating a smooth transition to modern notification handling. Before going live, it's vital to thoroughly test your upgrade integration. The Upgrade Hub provides tools to simulate transactions within Sandbox environment, allowing you to validate functionality, error handling, and overall performance without processing real payments. This concludes our demonstration of PayPal Upgrade Hub. The Upgrade Hub is designed to simplify the upgrade journey, providing you with the tools and guidance needed to modernize your PayPal integrations efficiently and confidently.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key developer challenges and how the Upgrade Hub solves them. Working with outdated MVP SOAP APIs can be complex. The Hub simplifies this with automated mapping to the latest REST APIs. It's often unclear where to start with the upgrade. The Hub provides personalized step-by-step guides to take you through this journey. And identifying legacy APIs can be tricky. The Upgrade Hub detects them for you automatically so it can save you time and ensure accuracy. And finally, instead of piecing together resources from different places yourself, the Hub will provide you with a clear, unified guidance all in one platform. With all of this, the Upgrade Hub makes upgrading faster, easier, and more reliable. that concludes our walkthrough of the Upgrade Up, and now I will pass it over to Mark to wrap us up.
Thanks, Sean. So we have shown you what we can do with the Upgrade Hub. The call to action for you, if you haven't already, make sure you're planning your upgrade to our REST APIs. We have a great solution in the Upgrade Hub. I would recommend starting there. Come talk to us. We want to hear about your challenges. We want to know. And most importantly, we'd like you to join our preview program, where we'll be sharing access to all of our tools in pre-release form, so you can help us innovate. And now we'd like to open up for questions. And, okay. Yes.
First of all, that's very cool. I like to see it because step-by-step guidance, and I hadn't seen that error code.
Good. Good to hear.
Question though, so when you log into the developer account, and that's how it's mapped, like show you that the current integrated.
Yes.
Will that also work, like if the merchant adds you as a developer to their PayPal account?
Yeah.
I'm logging in, I see all the different people, how they're integrated.
Yeah, so the way that the relationship between the developer and PayPal works within the developer dashboard right now is the merchant will invite you to join their platform and then send the invitation to the developer's email accounts. And if they accept it, they have a capability to basically switch between different merchants that they are currently working with. And then if they select a specific merchant that they want to upgrade, the detection will only pick up the legacy integration that is specific to that merchant so that everything is basically personalized for that experience. Yeah, of course.
How is that going to, if it keeps ranking, is it going to consider that something upgraded, or is it going to ignore that entirely? How's that?
Yeah, so right now the Upgrade Up only supports the Express Checkout one-time sale for detection and personalized guides. We are currently actively trying to support additional things like auth and capture, billing agreements, subscriptions. We are planning to support Braintree in the future, but that is soon to come.
Yeah, I was actually going to mention that. What we showed you today is primarily Express Checkout, but we have other legacy products which we'll be introducing on Upgrade Hub. So you can imagine things like WPS, Web Payment Standard would be something that merchants might want to upgrade from. We're also supporting certain partner activations on Upgrade Hub, so it's not just for the Express Checkout. Yeah.
Something regarding functionality. We have customers using PayPal as a checkout, Express Checkout, and I remember them having issues with the acceptance cost. Hasn't existed typically, but there's some difference between setting up shipping costs in the United States as a PayPal seller in the United States and PayPal seller in France or Italy or Germany and Europe a lot. And meaning that the functionalities are different and they're back home, they're like in Europe, they're very limited. Meaning you cannot say I'm not shipping. I seem to remember the seller cannot say I'm not going to be shipping to France, but yes, I'm going to ship to Germany and so on. So in an Express Checkout, the seller can decide where they want to ship within PayPal. Are you aware of this? Do you have plans of this? On this?
Yeah, so right now, Upgrade Up is only open to the US markets right now. But our goal is to basically... Yes. Okay. Yeah. But our goal is to basically expand our capabilities so that we are able to offer tailored experiences for every single use cases. So for example, you mentioned that the merchants in the Europe have a different way of doing the shipping callbacks versus the US markets. Our goal is to basically be able to detect that and offer a distinct upgrade experiences.
So it's not supported today, but that's the plan eventually is to support other markets. Is that right?
Yes.
I think my question was
Trying to see. Okay. Any other questions?
Is this generally available for everybody to start using now?
It is available. The detection is going to be enabled for specific kinds of accounts, and as we roll out more capabilities, we'll be making it accessible to more and more developers and merchants.
Is there early access for ways to be able to get them into that?
Yes, that's exactly what we want to do. So we have, in the next session, we'll be talking about our migration assistant, which is a cousin of Upgrade Hub, I would call it. And it will be allowing you to access all of these kinds of tools, the transformer tool that you saw, all the detection capabilities, other things that are coming in a preview mode and help us make sure that we're doing the right thing. That's why we want you to sign up. Sorry, the lights are very bright. All right, great. And, oh yeah, go ahead, Drew. Drew is one of our PayPal champions, by the way, so thank you, Drew.
Let's say, the merchant is using Express Checkout, and so it detects that, but it sees that they're using some features that aren't quite in the upgrade. So, for example, billing agreements involved. Right now, today, is it going to tell me, hey, here's what they've got, and here's the guide for the basic part, but like, is it going to tell me that they have billing agreements, and I need to look at that, or is it going to see that?
Yeah, so they don't see it at the moment. So the way that we have on-ramped merchants and developers to this platform is basically we have a list of merchants who needs to upgrade from legacy to latest, and then we have already pre-identified their specific legacy types. So we have only enabled these experiences for the merchants who the Upgrade Hub currently supports that capability. So if you're a merchant who currently processes the billing agreements, subscriptions, or things like that, you wouldn't see this experience live yet. Yeah.
All right, thanks everyone.
Thank you.